Hi everybody and welcome back to Factflix. I'm Amy.
And I'm Max.
And today we're talking rubbish.
Hey, speak for yourself.
We're talking about rubbish. What do we throw away? First question. How many kilograms of rubbish does each person on the planet produce every day?
No idea.
Well, in cities, the average is 1.4 kilograms per person per day. This year, the world will produce over 1 trillion kilograms of rubbish. That's the weight of 7,000 skyscrapers.
That's a lot of rubbish.
Yes, and nearly half of it is organic waste.
So people buy too much food?
Yes, and a lot of it goes off and then we throw it away. What a waste!
Maybe, but what can we do with it?
Well, when it's rotten, we can use it to grow more food. It's good for plants. Do you throw away much food, Max?
Me? No, I eat everything. My mum calls me the human dustbin. I hate waste.
That's good, because there are so many things we can recycle, like paper, plastic, tins and bottles.
And how much of our waste do we recycle?
It depends on the country, but in the United States, it's about 34%.
That means that 66% of rubbish isn't recycled. That's a lot of rubbish.
And we can waste less if we reuse things. Do you ever use disposable cups?
Yeah, all the coffee shops have them.
Yes, they are everywhere. Here in Britain, we use 7 million disposable cups every day. And people think we can recycle them, but we can't.
What can we do? We need a cup for our coffee.
Well, maybe we need to have reusable cups. That could also help reduce plastic bottles too. Guess how many we use every day?
No idea. Thousands?
Much more. Are you ready for a very big number?
Go on.
We use 1 million plastic bottles every minute of every day.
That's crazy. So waste plastic is a big problem.
Plastic is really bad for the environment. Scientists think that it will take around 400 years before most of it goes away. Most of the plastic that we've ever made is still here on the planet.
Right. So it's time to clean up.
It sure is. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Waste, unwanted or unusable materials. Wasteful. Recycle, to process or make something used or waste materials, so it can be used again. Recyclable. Trash, anything that is useless, rubbish. Broken, separated into parts, damaged. Disposable, something designed to be used once or only for a limited number of times and then thrown away. Environment, the circumstances, objects or conditions by which one or something is surrounded. Go bad, to spoil or rot. Produce, to make something. Replace, to restore to a former place, position, condition, to put back. Reuse, to use something again or in another place. Rotten, gone bad, decayed. Throw away, to get rid of as. Worthless or unnecessary. Garbage, discarded or useless material. Rubbish, especially waste from a kitchen. Waste, unwanted or unusable. Solar panels, devices which are used to absorb the sun's rays and change them into electricity or heat. Stuff things, or collection of things. To fill by crowding into something. Surrounded, to encircle or enclose something. Piles, a collection of objects laid on top of one another. Minimalists, people who live with very few possessions. Closet, a small room or a cabinet for storing clothes. A small cupboard. Dresser drawers, a piece of furniture with drawers, cupboards and shelves. Chest of drawers. Give away, to give something you own to someone for free. Independent, free from the influence or control of another. Independently. Trailer, a part of an object which extends beyond the main body. Or a large van drawn by an automobile, truck or tractor. Or a film preview, or advertisement. Store, a large shop selling different types of goods. Swapped, to give something to someone, and receive something in return or in exchange for something. Or to replace something with something else. Bird feeder, a device placed outdoors, to supply food to birds. Space junk, unwanted objects or materials left in space by human activity. Pollution beyond the Earth. Space debris, natural or man-made objects, litter and scattered remain of something destroyed, floating in space, especially in Earth orbit. Fragments, a part broken off or an imperfect part by biofuel. Exchange for something. Swap shoppers, instead of preposition, in the place of something or someone as a substitute or replacement. Garbage, discarded or useless material. Rubbish, especially waste from a kitchen. Compost, a mixture of various decayed plants and vegetable waste which is added to the soil to help plants grow. Bank account, an arrangement with a bank that allows you to keep your money in the bank and to take some out when you need it. Packaging, an outer layer, used to protect products. Possession, something that belongs to someone which he/she owns. Possess.